The casino industry is a big business, and the popularity of online casinos is increasing rapidly. Why is this? Nowadays, players demand a casino experience that they can reach anywhere, at any time. So convenience is one of the main factors why players love online casinos. This isn't a one-sided take on online casinos. Land-based casinos have a lot to offer too. It really depends on what kind of player you are. Perhaps you appreciate the casino experience in reality. You really enjoy socializing and physically seeing other players, chatting with the casino personnel, and if you've played enough, getting those little extras like free drinks and snacks. The key to enjoying the online experience of casinos is to appreciate the convenience, the massive variety of games, and of course, the offers. Land-based casinos also have offers, but usually the number of promotions is lower than their online counterparts. The online casino world has an ever-increasing variety of casinos themselves, so you don't have to have just one favorite casino. You can have many, and trying new casinos is as simple as opening a new tab on your browser. If you enjoy playing table games like blackjack or baccarat, but want to play from the comfort of your own home, an excellent option is playing online. To enhance the experience, choose live blackjack. You can even chat with the dealer. Nowadays, there's a huge variety of payment methods and withdrawal options at any online casino. The most common ones are Visa, MasterCard, the Discover Card, American Express, Play Plus, Pay Near Me, VIP Preferred, and of course, PayPal. E-wallets such as Neteller, Skrill, and Trustly are rare finds. Land-based casinos usually accept most bank cards, with the exception of credit cards. They also accept cash, of course, which may be withdrawn from an ATM, usually located within the casino itself. It is recommended that you check in advance which payment methods are accepted in both online and land-based casinos, as they can vary. For more guides for playing at casinos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our video page on AmericanCasinoGuide.com. Good luck, y'all! See you again soon!